And in this video we are going to see how we can fetch element from a website in some scenarios where some website doesn't provide you the APIs, or you have your own website but you don't know how to create the APIs, and you want to fetch some data like your heading and get the image, the featured image in the phone. So basically this tutorial for those guys, and this is pretty easy in Flutter. So let's have a quick look on the code. So before now, as we can see, this is the image and this is the h1 tag which is being fetched from this side. Okay, so this is the image and we can see the similar h1 tag and the image we can able to recognize in the phone too. So this is the same mirror. So before we're going to look on the code, I'm going to tell you what YAML packages we need to import. So first one is HTTP and the second one is HTML. HTTP is for the request, and HTML for fetching the elements, the particular elements. Now it may going to be some bit complex for site to site, like like I'll show you in the code. So these are the imports we import packages. So first of all we have to import the HTTP, then parser, then DOM, and these all are present in those two packages. So when I'm going to scroll down, this is the get data. In this is a synchronize. So this is asynchronous, and in this HTTP I'm passing the URL of the website, and after that when we have to fetch a particular image, we have to uh, give the particular array of that image. So uh, suppose if a site will going to have two or three images in the website, so this will going to be in the array. So if we have to fetch the different image, we have to manually change the array index. Like suppose we are fetching this image, this is on the 0 index, and this might going to be on the second or third index. It depends on the site. So this might going to be complex if we are fetching the image. But apart of this, we if we have to fetch the content, or we have to fetch the h1 tag, this is pretty easy. When if a website having a particular h1 tag and one paragraph tag, this will going to fetch a whole content out there. So for this, after passing dom.document, parser dot parse response body, and this is going to get the response, and this will going to get the object of this. After the getting the object, we are going to get the tag from that, and we are getting this image from 0th index, and this attribute is src. We know we have to, we in image tag we have as src, where we put the link for of the image. Now after this we have to get the h1. I'm getting the h1, and in this h1, this is on the 0th index. This h, if you have if the website having 2 or 3 h1, we have to manually identify in which h1 we have to fetch, and according to that we have to give the index dot inner, and after this we have to give the inner HTML. And if there is some space or something we have to replace, I'm replacing this NBS. Some website will going to have the space, like in this text we can see there is I'm fetching the h1, and in h1 there is a span. So we don't actually don't want to put the span in the text. If suppose if there is a span, we can see the span in the text, so we need to replace it. Now this is pretty simple. After this fetching this, I'm just assigning to the variable, and after this variable there's a scaffold, and in the scaffold in the scaffold there's a body, in container there's a column, and we can see there's one image dot network. In this I'm fetching this image, and if the text is null, we are just saying that the image is loading, or else it will just going to show the text. Thank you so much for watching this. I hope you have understand, If you like my videos, do subscribe. Otherwise you can subscribe it next time, and I'm going to put the whole code in the GitHub. You can have it from there. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye.